How to get magic beans in Palmon survival, and most likely one of the only ways you can get these. So if you want to do your little magic bean event, the main way to get these are in your purchase. You can find it in the top right corner or here on the events or any kind of purchase that does have the magic beans involved. As you can see over there, the rewards are quite special, but that's because you get these magic beans by getting purchases. As you can see, every purchase earns magic beans, and by purchase they mean actual currency. You can see here, let's say first purchase, you can get magic beans. You go ahead into your shop, there's going to be magic beans. Basically all the purchases that has this thing, the little icon with the cute magic bean, let's say your daily essentials, weekly wonders, and other kinds of purchases. But that's pretty much where you can get these magic beans in Palmon Survival. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.